everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are going to make Vietnamese lemongrass pork chop with rice. 越南香茅猪排饭. This dish is on the top 10 list of all the Vietnamese restaurants. The pork chop with the lemongrass combination are perfect, along with the green onion oil and the dipping sauce, sweet and chili dipping sauce. That is just heavenly. Let's get started! Here is everything we need. 4 pieces of pork chop. And then the marinade sauce. We need 1 stick of lemongrass, 1 green onion, 5 cloves garlic, 3 teaspoons fish sauce, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 3 teaspoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons oil. And for the dipping sauce, fish sauce 2 teaspoons, white sugar 2 teaspoons, water 10 teaspoons, minced garlic 1 teaspoon, Thai chili pepper 1 teaspoon. For the green onion oil topping sauce, we need 2 sticks of green onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. For the side dish, lettuce, tomato, cucumber, eggs, and lime. First, I'm going to prepare the marinade sauce for the pork chop. Cut the roots out and the green part out. We only need the white part. Smash it and cut into tiny pieces like this. Then set it aside. Next one, the green onion. We only need the white part. The same, cut off the green part out and the roots. Cut into the small pieces like lemongrass. It will look like this. Also set it aside with lemongrass. Next one is garlic. Mince the garlic. Alright. In the end, it will look like this. And now I'm going to put the minced lemongrass, green onion, only the white part of onion and the garlic into a zip bag. Put all the chopped ingredients inside a zip bag. I'm going to smash the pork. Alright, after smash all 4 pork chop, it will look like this. Make sure to smash the pork evenly. The reason why we smash the pork chop is because it will be easier to marinate inside the meat. Put all the smashed pork chop into the bag. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of oil, 3 teaspoons of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons soy sauce, 3 teaspoons fish sauce. Close the bag and mix with all the ingredients inside the bag. Make sure the pork combine well with the sauce and the spice. Alright, and put them into refrigerator for at least 2 hours. While we're waiting for the pork chop to marinate it, I'm going to prepare the topping sauce, green onion oil topping sauce. Chop the green onion into tiny pieces. Put into a small bowl Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Microwave it for 15 seconds. After microwave it, the topping sauce is ready. It will look like this. Okay, set it aside. For the dipping sauce, chop the Thai chili pepper. Okay, put into a small bowl and pour in the minced garlic. 2 teaspoons fish sauce, 2 teaspoons white sugar, 10 teaspoons water, cold water. Mixing well. Mix until the sugar is melted. Here are our dipping sauce and topping sauce. After the pork chop marinade ready, take out from the refrigerator. Heat up grill pan. Spray on cooking spray. Wait until the pan is really hot. Put the pork chop on the grill pan. Okay, use a small wok, turn on the heat, and add some oil. I'm going to fry the eggs. Grill the pork 3 minutes for each side. Okay, fry the egg, turn the other side. Move the egg. Take the egg out and cook another egg. The pork chop is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat and bring the pork chop up on the plate. Alright, and now I'm going to slice the cucumber and the tomato. Also cut the lime wedge. Okay, so now we can assemble the lemongrass pork chop with rice. Put 1 bowl of rice into 1 egg and some lettuce, 2 slices of tomato and cucumber, and our pork chop. Topping with the green onion topping sauce on top of the pork chop. Pair with the dipping sauce. Alright, so this is today's lemongrass pork chop with rice. It looks so pretty and is very delicious. Make sure to try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.